player doesn't. So here's the show money sub from up there. I have as parameter int index is integer, left is single, and top is single. So set up money movement and visible with the money control array, whichever index it is. So if we said third one, the dot left is equal to whatever the left is here, and whatever the top is here, and then make that one visible. So if we did get to this case where it's 10%, say somehow the random number became 10, well, we're going to see that big stash of cash. It will be 10% time there, it will be there, but all of a sudden we see it will be, oh yes, we got it finally. Try to click it. So we're going to go down here. This would be the timer that's going to be enabled from right here. Enable money to disappear. So this interval is 500 if I remember correctly. So you got 500 milliseconds to click on it. And here's what happens inside. We have to have a loop variable, and then the return for the sound. So invisible for any images. So we're going to loop through all the images. We only have from 1 to 3. I could have written that out, but from first control array to the last one. If any of those many images are true, then make it false. Update the award label. Oh, we missed it because we didn't click it in time. And then play the sound. You missed. And then take away $1,000. Now, because this property is set up to equal negative, it's going to go up here to the money. Here's our money let. So as soon as it gets a negative $1,000, it's going to go in. It'll be this variable right here. It will be negative 1,000. So it's going to be here and then here. Now you remember, if it goes through the user control in the money property, if it's negative, the pig is going to just go back to normal, and you're going to see a negative sign, just saying, uh-oh, we're losing money. And then if we're losing too much money, this will happen down here. Oh, it's less than 0, we're going to lose. So we have to avoid that. So go back down here, and then we would disable this timer because we don't need to keep running it. We only enable it when money is showing. So that was above right here. Okay, so go down. And then if the person does click the money, what's going to happen? Well, we disable the timer because we got the money, so we can't disappear it. So the timer is disabled. And then we declare any more temporary stuff. Well, it's going to be the long sound return. And so we go down here and check which money and change money property. Check the index first. So this is checking the index here is through the control array. Any of the money images are clicked, this sub will go off, and the index will be equal to which one you did, 1, 2, or 3. So if we get 1, that's the first one, that big one, money stack. So the award caption is going to say equals money stack. Then we're going to try to get a return for the play sound. So it's going to play a sound for the money stack. And then the money property is going to go off, equal 500. So that's going to go back up here again. And it's going to add 500 to the overall variable. It's going to show it. And then the piggy bank is going to show it in animation. And it's going to see if we have 100,000 or if we have $0 or less, but we don't have to worry about that because it's not going to happen since it's going to be positive at that point. So we can get 500, we can get 1,500, and we can get 5,000. There's the jackpot. And then invisible this image, because we already clicked it, just make it disappear. Alright, so that's all that. Now we're going to try to run this thing, and hopefully this recording software will do okay. And I hope it's not too loud where it blows my eardrums out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the microphone, or not the microphone, the headset. And then we're going to go ahead and hit play. And hopefully my laptop can play this with the recording software going. Click the money to add to your piggy bank. For every miss, you will lose $1,000. The objective is to get to $100,000. Good luck. Okay, you have to be pretty quick here. And there we go. Is that not cool? Oh shoot, I missed it. Oh shoot, I missed it again. Get some money here. I wanted to get the different sounds because they sound pretty cool. The pig is getting pissed off. When you don't get the money in time, he eats the money. I guess we'll just say that he spends it as an example. But as you can see, it looks pretty cool. I wasn't able to get any of the small stacks, but that sound is really cool too. It sounds like you got a lot of cash when you click on it. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to. I'm going to go ahead and let myself lose, just to show the statement will go off. So we're just going to wait here and see the money going. And the money down here is updating and saying missed. You are bankrupt. Program closing. Now I could spend the time to win, but that would take too long. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. That is really cool, isn't it? Alright, so we will be moving on. This is just kind of a review, but with the game. And you can look at the source code and see how well it is made. I mean, it's very well made. Like I said, I took an hour last night to make it, and it's very promising. So we'll be moving on, and I'll be showing some more stuff. If you have any comments or whatever, just ask questions. Again, the game is just for educational purposes, so I don't have to worry about the pictures or the sounds. I did find them off websites for free, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Other than that, thank you, and have a nice day, and hopefully this will be very interesting for you.